All that scratching is making me itch.
Hey everyone, it's your girl Nene, and I am back with another video. Again, it's an extra video this week because I just bought a bunch of bling from the Nail Matrix. I actually received it, I think, last Friday, but I'm just finally getting around to recording a video and opening up everything that I got. So, of course, I had to get these little ponies. You get 10 in a pack. They come two colors each, or sorry, two of each color. So 5 colors. Obviously, you get 10. I had one that kind of tried to slip away on me. He tried to gallop away, but eventually he gets recovered later on in the video. So she also sells these 30-piece bling sets for $6.50. The cool thing about all of this stuff is that you can save 15% if you use my code NENE15 at checkout, so don't forget to do that. I did get like a little mini rose oil, so I thought that was really cool. I could put that in my purse actually because I have a big bottle of it as well. And then this really cool glass file. So the other bigger thing that I bought was this, it was only $18 on her website. And again, you can save 15% with my unlimited code, so you can use it as many times as you like, which is so amazing. I love Tiffany and her products. So right now you're going to get a chance to see what all of these look like as I reorganize them. I did put them in the color of the rainbow. I organized them myself, which is why I love the fact that they came in these little plastic baggies, because I could do that because I do not like things that are, well, one, it helps eliminate losing the bling, right? And I always have to have everything in order, whether it's alphabetical, by shape, by color. And if it is by color and all of the colors of the rainbow are in this kit, as an example, then it has to be in the order of the color of the rainbow. I cannot stand it, anything being out of order. So that's just me. Call it OCD, call it whatever you like, but all of these beads are 4 millimeters in size. And so I figured, hey, why not just put them all together? So that's exactly what I'm going to do. And that will free up space on the other side of this little kit. It does come in this box. So I thought that was really awesome that the box is included, because sometimes they just come in these little bags and you're left to find storage on your own. But nope, it comes with the storage. Again, both bags can fit in one little square, so that is how I organized it. And you'll also see another little extra bling that I forgot to include as I was showing you everything that I got in the little $6.50 kits. The smaller kits of bling. So those are really cool. I got the ones with the stars on them. I did leave out one of them because it's not that I didn't care for them, but it's just that I already have a lot of things with pearls and gold and I'm more of like a silver person. So I did leave out one of the little packs of that are eligible to buy on her website. You'll see a picture of that. So yeah, it's this was really fun to do. I'm not going to torment you and put you through watching me put these all in the box at real-time speed. I am going to speed this up quite a bit, and then I will be back here in a little bit. Okay everyone, so I am back and you can see that included in this kit there are 3 different blues in here. So if your favorite color is blue, go for it. One's more of like a glass see-through, and then the other one's kind of like the opaque with the what do you want to call that over it. And these gold ones are really pretty as well. So they're really super shiny and gold on top, and then underneath they're kind of like a see-through glass. So I really like that as well. But yes, over all of these rhinestones, I keep wanting to say transparent, but I know that's not the word. But they are super pretty, and I really like this kit. I also wanted to mention that I will be giving away the second one in a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So once I hit 1,000, you will have a chance to win one of these kits. So yeah, you can either go out and buy one for $18 and save your 15% off with my code NANE15, or you can like, share, and subscribe, and also invite your friends to subscribe to my channel to have a chance to win one of those bling kits in my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, because once I hit it, I will definitely be doing a giveaway at that point. It's a little ways away right now because I think we're only at 230 some, but I'm working on it. I've been putting out a lot more content, and also at a lot more consistent basis. So I really hope you guys are entertained, and thank you so much for following and subscribing. You can see that I am now into the patterns and shapes and different styles of bling that I purchased. This purple was so pretty, and I really loved the shift on that one. All of these colors shift the same way, and they're all just as bright. And then these are the ones that I forgot to show earlier with the little stars and the half moons that like go around your nail. Kind of like they'd be really cute positioned like in the corner of the nail. And you get, again, 6 different shapes and colors. And these are the ones with the stars. And then there was like a circle with the star as well. But these are just so pretty. And look at these details in these turquoise ones. Like I really enjoyed those as well. Like these are my favorite ones. They come in silver and gold, and they also come in different shapes. Everything just turned out so gorgeous. This is what everything is looking like together. Those turquoise ones kind of remind me of like a dream catcher, or whatever the case may be. But hopefully you saw some of this bling today and you were inspired, or you really enjoyed it. So remember to check out the Nail Matrix online. And as always, I would like to thank you so much for being the best part of my channel, and I will hopefully see you guys on Friday.